Yeah, good morning. Today, I really want to talk about the system entry, an entry system that I use. It has been tested and it has up to 80, 70, 80, 90% win rate. So now, my previous videos, I've talked about market structure and order flow. I've talked about liquidity. I've talked about range structure. Now, after covering all these aspects, I want to talk about system entry. After explaining about this system entry, about this entry, about this entry criteria, about this entry pattern. Now we'll backtest it right here. We'll backtest it up to up to 4, 5, or 6 months previous data and see how they have played out. And see how they have played out and how they will give us confidence to really depend on this entry pattern. Now, what is this system? What is this entry pattern I'm talking about? Now, let's go to an empty chart. Okay. Now, if we have price moving like this, now it is assumed that this is a bullish market. Okay. It's assumed that this is a bullish market. Now, in a situation whereby price now, instead of it to continue bullish, price will now do what? Take out this previous swing. It's either swing, it's either previous daily, weekly, as the case may be, but take out this previous high and do what? And take out this previous low as a break of structure. Now, this is what we call, now, after price must have done this, we now hope that, okay, now price have cleared a previous daily high or we now say, okay, now price have grabbed liquidity from this previous swing high and broke structure to the downside. Now we have confidence that price wants to change what? Structure. Now, how can we engage on this structure that price wants to change? After price must have taken out this high, broke this low as a break of structure. Now, this is where we look for entry. This area. This is where we look for entry. To do what? To continue down with price. This is just the system we'll talk about. This is what we'll talk about when we talk about system. This is what we'll talk about. It's not hard. You see? It's not hard. Now, how do I label this? This is what? This is a break of structure. Price grab liquidity. Price grab liquidity from this high. Okay? Doesn't want to now. Price grab liquidity from this guy and broke structure to the downside. Let's assume that let's assume that this was a Friday high. This was a Friday high. Now on Monday, price price opened here, traded above Friday high, grabbed that Friday high liquidity. Now came down and broke the low. You see? So now we have this guy as our POI, as our demand that caused the break of structure. Sorry. Sorry, we lost visual. So, as I was saying, where did I stop? Now, say that. let's take an instance where like now price is bullish now in this scenario, making higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low. So now let's say that this high here was a weekly, was a Friday high. This was a high price made on Friday before market close. Now we came back, we came around on Monday. Price opened here on Monday and traded above the Friday high and grabbed that Friday high liquidity. On my previous video, I talked about liquidity and price action and all those kind of things. So you can go to there and watch it. Now, price traded above this Friday high and grabbed that liquidity from that Friday high and broke structure to the downside. Now, this signifies that price wants to move in a particular direction. Now, in this case, a bearish direction. You see, we have confidence that after price must have grabbed liquidity, broke structure to the downside. Now we have a range to work with. This is the range that we want to trade with. So now we wait for price to do what? To trade inside this our range. For us to do what? Take trade from. We can, if this is a 1 hour time frame, if this is a 1 hour order block, POI, you can, when you measure your the pips, if it's 30 pips, if it's 20 pips, you can decide to take the whole of the 1 hour. For me, I take the whole of the 1 hour. You can decide to refine it as the case may be. That's your choice. I take this whole of 1 hour. So when price comes here, price activates me, boom, we move. We target to the nearest sell side liquidity. If you have engaged here, you have engaged here. You see, we would have gotten like 1 to 3 risk to reward. You see, this is just it. There's no big thing about this. You see, you wait for price to trade into your POI. This guy that caused the break of structure after it must have what? Grab liquidity. So now, if you don't want to take this entry on the 1 hour or on the higher time frame that this POI showed, now you can as well dive down to lower time frame when price must have traded into your POI. You go down to lower time frame and do what? You look for an entry pattern. That same pattern will still form on the lower time frame, maybe 5 minutes, maybe 1 minute, as the case may be. That same entry pattern will still form on the lower time frame. And you take your entry. Now let's go down to the last chart. Let's take this example that we have given now using this diagram. Let's go down to our live chart and backtest down 3 months past data, like 3 months. This is September now. So let's go down to, let me say, maybe it's past 6 months data and see how price has been behaving, whether price has been respecting this entry system, this entry pattern, whether price has been respecting it. This is what? This is April. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. This is what? April, May, June, July, August, September. This is 5 months data. Okay, now let's use this 5 months data is okay. May, March, that's March, this is 7 months, 6 months data. February, this is 7 months data. This is 7 months data. Okay, now let's use February. Let's use February. Let's backtest from February and see how this system has been performing and see if it is reliable. February, this is February, okay, okay. This is February. If February started here, let's mark it down. February started here. Okay, this is somewhere. This is where February started. Now let's see. Okay, this is February. And this is Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday, what happened? What happened on Wednesday? This is Friday. Nothing happened. Okay, now let's go. This is Monday. What happened on Monday? Did something happen on Monday? Nothing happened on Monday. This is Monday. Monday opened here. Yeah, Monday opened here. Monday opened here. Is there any grab of liquidity? There was no grab of liquidity from this Monday. Now Monday opened here. This is Tuesday. This is Tuesday. Yeah, this month. This is Tuesday. Now see, this is Tuesday. Tuesday opened. Was there any grab of liquidity? There was no grab of. Let's see. Now see, if you zoom it like this, you will see now. If you zoom it, you will see Tuesday opened here. Yeah. Tuesday opened here and traded and made a high and came down to do what? And take out Monday low. Tuesday opened here, came down and took out Monday low. You see? And took out Monday low. I'm coming. Excuse me. And took out Monday low. So when Tuesday took out Monday low, what happened next? It went high to what? To break structure to the upside. You see? After grabbing, Tuesday opened. Monday opened and traded down here. Now what happened? Tuesday opened and did what? And took out Monday low. After it took out Monday low, it traded high and did what? Now, after it took out Monday low, it gave us what? A range. A range for us to work with. And that inside that range, we have what? Our POI. This is our POI. Because this is if you look at this is the last this is the last bearish guy before this bullish movement that took out this high after the grab of liquidity. Now this is our what? Our POI. This is how we trade it. This is our POI on a 1 hour. This is how we trade it. Do you see how price came and did what? And respected that our POI that caused the break of structure after it has what? Grab liquidity from the previous Monday low. If you don't understand about liquidity, you have to go down to my other videos I explain about liquidity. And you have to also go down and check the other video that I explain about market structure. This is very simple. Price, the Monday opened here and traded low. Now Tuesday opened and did what? And traded below Monday low, taking out Monday liquidity. Taking out Monday low and broken structure to the upside. And see what happened. Boom. Price traded high. And did what? Price traded high and did what? Boom. Clearing that structure. Now, if we take this, if we take our entry here and place our stop loss below, you see, we would have gotten 1 to 2 risk to reward. 1 to 2, 1 to what? This is 1 to 3 risk to reward. You see how simple is it? And this trade matured till another Monday. You see where patience lies. You have to wait until your target is met. You have to wait until your target is met. Here we reach this target on Friday. You see where we reach this target? On Friday. So there's no two ways about it. Wait as the new week approaches, after you must have analyzed your chart, you now spot your liquidities. Is it high? Is it low? Previous days, previous highs, previous days low, previous days high, weekly lows, weekly high, as the case may be. In this case now, we worked with previous daily low and previous Monday daily low. Tuesday came and do what? And grabbed it. Clearing this previous what? Monday low and trading high to break structure to the upside. Leaving this guy as our POI. This guy is the guy that caused the break of structure. Now let's continue. Let's continue. As you progress, you understand what I'm talking about. Now, this is another week because this is Friday. Friday did what? Friday closed here. Friday closed here. You see. Now, this is another week. Now, what happened? This is where Monday started. Friday closed here. Now, this is, look, listen carefully. This is Friday high. You see Friday high. This is where Monday started. This is where Monday started. Monday started here. But this is Friday high. Now, what happened? Monday came and did what? Monday came. This Friday, 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 Friday. This Monday. Monday came and did what? And grabbed liquidity from Friday high. Monday came and did what? Grab liquidity from Friday high. And did what? And broke structure to the downside. Always spot that break of structure. And broke structure to the downside. You see? Monday came and grabbed Friday high. And broke structure to the downside, leaving the what? Our POI, look at this demand, leaving this word, order block for us. This is the guy that caused the break of structure. It is the guy that caused the break of structure. After it must have what? Grab liquidity from this guy. It grabbed liquidity from this guy. It broke structure to the downside, leaving what? Leaving this order block for us to work with. You see? This supply zone for us to work with. You see how simple is it for us to spot? This system has almost 70 to 80% win rate. Now, if we enter trade here from this our POI, if you enter from this our POI here, you see, from this our POI, boom. You get your what? Simple. This is simple what? 5 hour. You get your 5 hour. As simple as that. Boom. You get your 5 hour. That's very simple. Get your 5 hour. Come into your new week. Spot your liquidities. Where is your liquidities residing? Where is the current market structure? Where is it bullish? Is it bearish? If it is bullish, maybe we are trading to another liquidity. Daily high, weekly high, as the case may be. You watch when price must have grabbed that liquidity from that high. And watch if there is a break of structure. If there is a break of structure, boom. Try to mark out your POI, your other block that caused that break of structure. Look for your entry in that area. Look at it's very simple. You see how we got our 5R? This is 3R, this is 5R. Now you have gotten like 8R. As simple as that. Now let's go. Is there anything here? Nothing happens here. Nothing happens here. Okay, this is what? This is Tuesday. Nothing happens here on Tuesday. So now we'll continue to go. Tuesday, Thursday, this is Friday. Anything is something happened? Nothing happened. Boom. Maybe after you have gotten this 5R, you have to wait for the whole week. Nothing has happened yet. If you also wanted to take a re-entry, you must have gotten some R here. If you want to take your re-entry, for this also, after price broke structure here. The price broke structure here. It also left, but let's not talk about that one so that we'll not get confused. So that we'll not get confused, you understand? So now let's continue. After this Monday, understand? This Friday, this is Friday high. So price opened here. Now see, look at where it gets confusing and what very delicate. Now look at price grab this price opened on Monday and do what? And clear previous Friday high. This previous Friday high, price what? Cleared it. But did price break structure to the downside? No. Price did not break structure to the downside. So there is no entry. You don't look for entry because look at price did not come down here to break structure. Look at it. Price did not come down here to break structure. So there is no need for us to do what? Look for trade and look for trade here. So have you seen it? So you must be very careful. This is Friday high. Monday started here and do what? And clear the Friday high. But it did not break structure to the downside. So there is no entry for us. We move. When there's no entry for us, we'll do what? We move. We continue up. So this is Tuesday. This Tuesday. Anything happen? Nothing happened. So this Tuesday. Nothing happened on Tuesday. Tuesday, nothing happened. This Thursday, Friday, nothing happened. So continue to be going. Now, okay. Now let's go now. This is new week. Let's say this is Monday. This is where Monday started. Understand? This is where Monday started. Monday traded inside this area and closed. Now look at Tuesday. Look at what Tuesday did. Tuesday opened and did what? And took out Monday's. Tuesday opened and did what? And took out Monday high. After Tuesday opened, it took out Monday high. After it took out Monday high, it came down to do what? To break structure to the downside. See how simple that is? It broke structure to the downside. After it broke structure to the downside, it left for us what? Another block for us to work with. As simple as that. You see, when price came, price what? Price respected that other block and give us an entry. Price respected that other block and give us an entry. So we took our entry and got how many R? We got our 3R and move. There's no two big ways about that. We got our 3R and do what? And move. We don't have any problem. You see? Got our 3R and move. And move and we'll go to what? We'll look for other entries. Look at here. This is Friday. Nothing happens on Friday. We'll move. Okay, this is Monday. Did something happen on Monday? Monday open here. Monday open here. Nothing happened here. Nothing happened here. Nothing happened here. So we move. Nothing happened here. We move. This is Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday. Nothing happened. You see? Nothing happened. We'll move. If we don't have an entry, we'll move. We don't force entry. You don't force it. You don't have to force an entry. If nothing happened, we move. Now we see. Okay? This is what? This is Friday. So Friday now what? Okay. This Thursday, this is Friday. Okay. This is, if you can see that. Sorry. Now, if you see this guy, Friday, Friday opened here. Okay. And did what? And took out its own high. So what Friday did? Took out its own high. And did what? and break structure to the downside, signifying that all this bullish move has exhausted. Now you see, leave for us what? Another block for us to work with. You see how price respected that other block after so many moves down. Price still came back and did what? And tapped us in. And tap us in. Tap us in. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. This is almost 7 hours. This is almost 7. This is almost 8 hours. You see? It's almost 8 hours. So you see how simple is it? You just backtest it on your own. Backtest it. This is EU. Backtest it. Every pair has its own characteristics. This is EU. This is EU characteristics. EU always seeks liquidity. After it must have grabbed liquidity, it goes for break of structure and give you your range to trade with. You see? This is simple. So now we have secured our 8 hour. We'll move. This is what? Friday. This is what? Monday started here. Is Monday grab liquidity? There was no grab of liquidity. Monday started. This is Tuesday. There was no grab. We move. When there is no trade for us, we'll move. We don't have to force anything. We must not force anything. We move. Is there any trade? This Friday. This Friday. This is Monday. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. You see? This Tuesday. Nothing happened. If nothing happened, we'll do what? We'll move. This Friday. Nothing happened. We move. This Wednesday. This Thursday. This Friday. This Monday. There's no grab. No grab. So now, this happens on Tuesday. So what did price did? Price grab liquidity here on Tuesday. Price grab previous weekly high on Tuesday. And did what? And broke structure to the downside. Look at it. Price broke structure to the downside. Leaving for us what? This guy. Now, this is where price. He can take this price work with a breaker block at this scenario. You see? As simple as that. You enter. Put your stop loss at your comfort zone. Like put it here. Doesn't matter. Boom. Get your 5 hour and move. You see your price. You get your 5 hour and move. Targeting what? Targeting what? External liquidity. Get your 5 hour and do what? And move. As simple as that. You move. Do for what? Another opportunities. Yeah, this is Monday. Is there any grab? There was no grab. This Monday now. Monday opened here. Monday opened here. Okay. Now, Tuesday, what did Tuesday do? Tuesday opened and did what? This was a Friday. This was a weekly low. So when Monday opened, what Monday did? Did Monday grab liquidity? No, there was nothing here. There was nothing here. Nothing happened. So we move. Now, this is Tuesday. Did something happen? Okay, now this is Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday open. Tuesday. Now let's see. Let's go down. Now, because I believe something happened here. Now, this is supposed to be a break of structure, yeah? There was a liquidity grab here from Monday. Tuesday open and grab previous weekly low. And broke this guy. This is a break of structure, yeah? A minor break. And this is also what? A break of structure here. You see? You have to look closely and see. Now you see this guy. You see how price respected it? Boom. You take your entry. Take your entry and do what? And move. Just backtest this guy. Take your entry what and move. This is how many what? How many are? This is our target. This is our target. Our target was what? 3 hours. But you can also extend it as the case may be, but this is our target, 3 hours. We move, we carry our 3 hours and do what? And move for what? Other opportunities. There are a lot of opportunities in the market. We look for other opportunities. Look for a 3 hours and do what? And move. Now, this is what? Monday. See, this price played till almost what? Friday. It played till Friday. You understand? So you can imagine getting your what? This is almost, this is 7 hours. You get your 7 hours. If you reach 1%, you get your 7% and move. That's enough for you to live, to enjoy your life. Now you move, this is Monday, this is Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday. So what happened here? Now we look for other opportunities. Now what happened? This is Friday. What did Friday do? Friday grabbed this previous Tuesday high, previous Thursday high, and did what? And break structure to the downside. Always spot the grab of liquidity, always spot a break of structure. This is the two things you need. Spot the grab of liquidity, spot the break of structure, and mark out your POI and take your entry. That's very simple. It's very simple. There's nothing too hard about it. Spot your liquidity grab from those previous daily high, previous daily low. Spot your break of structure. We have your 3 hours and do what? And move. There's no big deal about it. You see? See how I backtested this. I took it down to almost 1 year data, 2 years data, and I found out that this system is profitable. In a week, you get like 2 to 3 opportunities. If in these 2 to 3 opportunities, you get like 7 to 10 hours. If you are risking 1%, you get 10%. If in a week you are making up to 10%, even if you get these opportunities 2 or 3 times, 2 or 3 times in a week, and generally you get it like 5 times in a month, you are a big boy. You understand? So this is what you have to do. Spot your grab of liquidities from previous daily highs or lows, swing points. Spot your break of structure. Mark out your range. Spot your POI and wait for price to trade inside your POI, your other block, be it supply or demand. You move. Take your trade and move. Have confidence. You understand? Now let's go. Let's move and find other opportunities. Now this is Thursday. This is Friday. If something happen here, nothing happen. If nothing happen, we move. We look for other opportunities. We look for other opportunities. You understand? If nothing happen, we look for other opportunities. Here, there's something happen here. This is Friday. This is Monday. Price open here. Nothing happen. Nothing happen. If nothing happen, we move. You don't have to force anything. You don't have to force anything at all. This Thursday, Friday. Okay. This is Friday. Now this is Monday. Now, okay, we have other opportunity. Monday opened and did what? And took out Friday high. After it took out Friday high, what did it do? It broke structure to the downside. After it broke structure to the downside, it left for us what? POI for us to work with. Oh, this is also a major break. You understand? You see? As simple as that. Just a simple thing. You see here, we are presented with what? Multiple opportunities. Yeah. Okay. See here we have 3R. Here we have 2R. You see, you grab your 5R and you do what? You move. You look for other opportunities. You wait for other weeks. You wait for other days. You understand? You move. Now, this is what? This is another week. Hey, Monday opened here and traded high. You see what Monday did? Monday opened and did what? And clear this. If you look at this guy is what? Previous weekly. Previous weekly guy. Previous weekly. Price traded above previous weekly high and grabbed the liquidity. Understand? And came down here and broke structure to the downside. You see? Also, if you look at this, this is also a break of structure. Understand? Price broke structure and leave for us what? This guy for us to work with. See how price traded inside that guy? If you also extend it, price leave for this guy for us to work with. Also extend it, you see. You see? Well, so take our entry here. Stop loss above. Boom. Have your 7R. You also take your entry here. This is how you backtest. You have your 3R. This is how you backtest. You backtest strategy. Any given strategy you are presented with, you backtest it. You review the data 2 years back, 3 years back, 6 months back, 1 year back, and you see how that data has been performing. That is where your confidence will be based on. You understand? We move. You have anything here? Don't have anything. Don't have anything here. Okay? Okay. This Monday, Tuesday. Don't have anything here. We'll move. If we don't have anything, we'll move. We move. Nothing. This Monday. Nothing happened. Tuesday. Nothing happened. We move. If nothing happened, we move. Monday. Monday. Now, let's also see. This Tuesday, what did Tuesday do? This was a Friday high. This was a previous daily high. So what did price do? Price opened and did what? And grabbed that Friday high liquidity. You understand? And broke structure to the downside. You understand? And left to us what? POI for us to work with. You see how price respected it? Simple thing. Simple thing. It's so simple. And do what? Boom. Have our 4R. You see? It's very simple. We have our 4R. And do what? And move. Have our 4R and move. Now, is there any other way? Nothing happened. Nothing happened, we move. Okay. Now this is Monday. Monday open. Is there anything that happened? No. Tuesday. This is Monday. Okay. Now this is Tuesday. What did Tuesday do? Tuesday grabbed liquidity from this previous Monday low. Grab liquidity from previous Monday low. And broke structure to the upside. Okay. And left us what? This guy for us to work with. It's very simple. Therefore, this guy for us to work with. See how price mitigated it instantly and did what? And gave us an enter. As simple as that. I just want to make this video very short. I don't want it to be long so that you understand it. You see? This is how you go. This is how you do it till the data is what? To your confidence. This is how you do it to your confidence. You understand? Whenever you don't see an entry, whenever you don't see these characteristics on this particular entry criteria, you stay away. Be it 1 month, be it 1 day, be it 1 week, you stay away. Always come down on the new week with this mindset. You wait for price to run above an old high, an old lows, weekly, daily, monthly, as the case may be. You wait for price to break structure to the opposite side. You have your range. You now mark out your POI, your POI, your POI, the other block, your supply or demand, as the case may be. You wait for price to trade into that area. You now what? You take your entry. I believe this video explained a lot. I just want to make it short. I don't want to make it long enough. If we continue to backtest all this data, it will take us very hours. Okay? So if you take this example on your own, you backtest it down to years back. Okay? All right, I believe this video speaks a lot of volume. Thank you. And please don't forget to like, share, and what? Repost. Thank you.